Ever pondered the idea of investing? The mere thought can be intimidating, especially if you're just starting to navigate the financial world. But fear not, because investing is not as complex as it may seem, and the benefits it brings are worth understanding. Imagine putting your money to work for you so it grows and multiplies over time. That's the basic principle of investing. Instead of letting your money sit idle in a savings account, you're putting it into assets that have the potential to earn you returns. This could be anything from stocks and bonds to exchange-traded funds, real estate, and even startup businesses. Investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth. It offers a higher potential return on your money compared to a regular savings account. It's also a great way to safeguard your financial future and achieve your long-term financial goals. But what makes investing truly magical is the power of compounding. This is when the returns on your investments start to earn returns themselves. It's like a snowball effect. The longer you leave your money invested, the larger this snowball becomes. Now, let's talk about some of the different ways you can invest. Stocks represent a share in the ownership of a company and constitute a claim on part of the company's assets and earnings. Bonds, on the other hand, are like loans made to large organizations. When you buy a bond, you're essentially lending your money to the organization in return for periodic interest payments and the return of the original investment after a set period. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are investment funds traded on stock exchanges. They aim to track the performance of a specific index or commodity. They're a great way to diversify your investment, as they spread your money across multiple assets. Real estate investing involves purchasing properties to generate income. This could be through renting out the property or selling it at a profit. Finally, if you're feeling particularly adventurous, you might consider investing in a startup. This is a higher risk investment, but it could also offer a higher return if the business becomes successful. But remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, research, and a well-thought-out strategy. It's also essential to ensure your immediate financial circumstances are in good shape before you start investing. So, to recap, investing is about growing your money by putting it into different assets. It offers a higher potential return compared to savings and harnesses the power of compounding. You can invest in a variety of ways, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, real estate, and startups. But remember, it's crucial to do your research and ensure you're financially ready to start investing. In the grand scheme of things, investing is about making your money work for you. It's about planning for your future and building a nest egg that can support you in your later years. So why not start today? After all, the sooner you start, the longer your money has to grow. Happy investing!